Here we have the 2019 Harley-Davidson Street Glide Special in the beautiful billiard blue, new color for this year. And I want to highlight this bike to show you the new Harley-Davidson Wrapped Fender. What a different look it gives the bike on there. Color matched, Harley-Davidson produced. This bike features the 114 cubic inch Milwaukee 8 engine, blacked out of course, 6-speed cruise drive transmission, stretch bags on the special, Street Glide Special features a painted interfering infotainment system with navigation, Apple CarPlay ready, heel toe shifting, 114 badge there on the primary, short custom windshield, air vent there on the fairing. That's the 2019 Harley-Davidson Street Glide Special with custom Harley-Davidson color match wrapped fender. Check this bike out and many more here at Harley-Davidson Newport Richey, here in beautiful Newport Richey, Florida. 727-842-4547. Check us out online, nprharley.com.